Bathurst after 24 years was pretty special for me to get behind the wheel. GT2 RS Clubsport is super unique, obviously only 200 in the world, 700 horsepower and also pretty light. Obviously it's based off the GT2 RS street car, but obviously stripped out, it's been on a diet. Power to weight's very, very impressive. It's on slick tyres. It's a real out and out thoroughbred for the racetrack. GT2 RS street car and the GT2 RS Clubsport, I mean, they're in a very, very unique family, in the GT family. And it's just got the torque, the amount of torque and power that this concept has is really, especially even for us racing drivers, we just get in there, all of us, we're always talking about the GT2 RS, you know, how much horsepower it's got and just how versatile it is. So of course the street car you can drive anywhere you want obviously, and you know, the versatility is truly sensational. So another incredible product which we're very proud of. Bathurst 12 hour is going from strength to strength, there's no question about it. Every year you come back here, the field is just that little bit stronger, which is very hard because the previous years have already been very competitive. Porsche takes it very, very serious. We have the best 911 drivers in the world that we can bring down here to contest for outright victory. You know, we want to come here, we want to win. That's what Porsche loves doing, not in an arrogant way, but we really love, you know, trying to challenge for victories and make sure the opposition know we're here. It's a tough race to win, and that's why everyone comes out here. Starts at dark, so it finishes in daylight, so it's got a lot of unique components. So I'm looking forward to seeing how the race will unfold on Sunday.